Welcome to this video on finding clinical practice guidelines in PubMed. First, let's review how to get to the database PubMed. From the library's homepage, select Library Databases. Under Subjects, scroll down and select Nursing and hit Search. Scroll down and open PubMed. Once you're in PubMed, start by placing your topic in the search box, then click Search. On the page of search results, you'll want to look on the left-hand side of the screen and scroll down to the Article Type section. Click See All Article Type Filters, and a list of article types will pop up. From this list, you'll want to select both Guideline and Practice Guideline. Guideline and Practice Guideline. Then click Apply. Scrolling back to the Article Type section, you'll notice that Guideline and Practice Guideline are checked. All of your search results will now be clinical practice guidelines. To read one of your search results, click on the title of the article. On the right side of the screen, click the CSP Get It button to access a PDF or full text version of the article. Thank you for watching this video about finding clinical practice guidelines in PubMed. If you need additional assistance, please reach out to the library via our 24/7 chat at library.csp.edu/chat, or you can email us at library@csp.edu.